Hello everyone, this is Lena from Studio 26 Prints, and today I'm here for a quick tutorial for you. Now, I know we've all been on tons of Zoom calls, right? And I'm sure you've been like, oh, that person's Zoom background is very nice. I wonder how I can get one like that, right? So that's what I'm here to show you today. All right. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your favorite AI art generator. That could be Midjourney, that could be Dali, be Night Cafe, whatever one you choose and works for you, you can go ahead to that one. I prefer Midjourney because I feel like Midjourney gives me more realistic looking backgrounds. Okay, but again, choose whatever one you'd like. Now here is a nice and simple prompt that you can use. Mock-up design photography, not the mock-up design photography of the living room is a 4x3 empty frame, rustic boho style, wooden parquet floor, cozy, warm, brown, beige, and orange tones. Ultra realistic UHD 4K. Okay, and you want to go ahead and run that. If you have a personal code in Midjourney, you can go ahead and add that to the prompt as well, just to see what else you get that may be different or maybe more appealing to your eye. So this one didn't render the way I wanted it to exactly, so I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to take this out here. Mock-up design, photography of the living room is an empty frame, rustic boho, okay. And then here, the AR, make sure it says 16:9, okay. We can go ahead and try that again. And I'll run it one more time with my personalization code just to see what I get. Okay, so this is an example of what you may get. Okay, and you know Midjourney gives you 4 options. Okay, this is with my personal code. All right, not bad, but I already had one in mind that I wanted to use. Let's see if I can scroll down and find it. It was this one. All right, so once you find the one that you like, you can go ahead and save that to your computer. Okay, save the image. Once you save that image, what you want to do is take it into Canva, right? So once you go to Canva, you want to go to the home page of Canva, create a design. Okay, and hit here, custom size. And then for the Zoom background, it would be 1920 by 1080. Okay, and you want to hit create new design. All right, since I already have mine done, I'm not going to create a new one, but it's the same pixel size, 1920 by 1080. Okay, now what you want to do is go ahead and upload that to Canva. So if you go over here to the left, click upload your file and hit this. You'll get this into this image, right? So I just go ahead and right click the image, set it as the background. Okay, and you don't have to upscale your image, but I just go ahead and do it anyway because I just like to upscale it. So image upscaler, and I'll just upscale by 2. Again, this is not a requirement, I just do it because I want the picture to be as clear as possible. All right, so that's upscaled. Replace. Now, once that's upscaled, here's where we get to the good part, right? So I'll go ahead and close this out. Now, what you want to do is make these 3 frames that are already in the picture. That's what you want to make into frames that you can slide any of your images into to create, maybe to upload your own art so that you can showcase it on these Zoom calls, right? So if you have art uploaded already, which I do, you can just go in there and choose whatever image you'd want to upload here, right? But before you do that, you have to create the frame, right? So what you'll want to do is go over to Elements. You can type in frame, and the frames that you can use should pop up here, right? So if you click See All, I usually just use this one, okay? Just the standard. And then I zoom in on the picture right down here on this toggle that you can toggle back and forth, okay? So I just zoom in so that I can see the picture, well, the edges of the frame, right? And then I just line it up to the frame, okay, just like so, and then just size it, okay? And that is how you create the frame. Now, you want to make sure that it's properly centered, or as centered as you can. You may not get it perfectly, and that's okay. Now, here. These look like they're different sizes. No biggie, you'll just size it back up, okay? All right, and then you'll just hit the duplicate button, which is right at the top here, and it'll go ahead and create the same size frame for you. But in this case, it looks like the middle one is bigger than the two outside ones, so that's fine. Okay, once you do that, you can go right back down here and zoom it out a little so you can see the entire image again. Now, you can go to Uploads and choose whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and use these that do have a background, okay? And all you have to do is just drag the images into those frames. And here you have your Zoom background. Okay, so let's say you have an image of a mock-up that has no frames in it, or has a circular frame maybe, or just like a weird setup, okay? So what you can do is duplicate this page and just delete everything on it so that you can start from scratch, okay? And then you'll just go ahead and upload that picture, like, let's say this one here. Okay. Set as image background. Okay, now you can, again, add your own frames to this. All right, so in this case, you can create whatever size frames you'd like. So you'd go back to Elements, choose that frame, and then just size it to whatever you'd like to size it as, right? Now, let's say you wanted to do like a 3-frame setup. You'll just click on the frame, go here to the plus button to duplicate, and just arrange them so that they cover whatever's in the back, right? Now, because this plant is here, I'll just keep it at 2 for now. All right, and if you're ready to upload images to these 2 frames, you'll just go back to the uploads and go ahead and choose the image that you want to upload onto the frame, okay? Now you can also add your logo to one of these corners or somewhere in the image, wherever you feel comfortable putting that, maybe your barcode, okay? So in this case, I'll show you real quick how you can do that. I have my logos and stuff already in my brand section in Canva. If you don't, you'll just go through the same process of uploads here to upload the image of your logo onto this background. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and take my logo, arrange it where I would like it to be seen. Now you could also add your barcode to this other corner, because remember, on the Zoom, you're going to be mainly in this area here, which is right in the middle of the image. So just keep that in mind so that you know where to place things, okay? So you could even maybe do this up here if you'd like, so that people can see it more easy. Wherever you want, you can place it wherever you want, okay? Wherever it looks appealing to you, all right? Once you do that and you're ready to download the image, all right, so share, and then you'll click on download. And you could download it either as a JPEG or a PNG. Okay, I'll choose JPEG. Make sure you put the quality up to 100. And then the size, I'll usually just do 2880 by 1620. You can do whatever size you'd like. Okay, now for PNG, you don't want to choose transparent background. You want everything to come through. And you can choose the resolution up here, okay, to whatever you'd like, as I said before. So I'll just go back to JPEG 100, size 1.5, I guess, and download, and it's going to download both images. Okay, now as far as zoom is concerned, you want to click on your zoom. This is how you're going to upload that image to your zoom so that you can have it as a background. Okay, you want to hover over the icon here with your picture or your logo. Go to settings, background and effects. And here you'll see whatever backgrounds Zoom offers, whatever video filters they offer, whatever avatars they offer. Okay, so virtual backgrounds. As you can see, I have 2 already here. And you see this little plus sign here on the right. Okay, that's what you click to add your image. And upload. Okay. You'll have to do it one by one if you have more than one. Okay, and here are your Zoom images. Yes, so let's choose the first one. Let's say that's the one I want to use as my background. You'll click on that, and as you can see, Zoom will keep a history of the Zoom backgrounds here in case you want to switch them out from time to time. That's totally up to you. So I'll choose this one and then X out of that. And let's say I just want to start a new meeting so that you guys can see what it'll look like. If I turn on my camera, this is what the background will look like. Okay, as you can see, my logo's here at the bottom. There. So that is it for my tutorial on how to create a Zoom background. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit my inbox. I'd be more than happy to help. And I cannot wait to see what awesome Zoom backgrounds you guys create with this. All right, so talk to you next time. Peace out.